Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to leave an alliance in Doomsday Last Survivors. If you're playing Doomsday Last Survivors and thinking about leaving your current alliance, then you can easily do so by following these simple steps, so make sure to watch till the end. First of all, launch open your Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device, and once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the Alliance button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll be able to see the info of the alliance that you've joined into. In the Alliance menu, locate the Settings button at the bottom left corner and tap on it, and then click on the Leave button in the pop-up. Click on OK once you see this pop-up, and you'll be able to leave the specific alliance. Now, if you go to the Alliance tab again, you'll see that you have successfully left the selected alliance. Now, once you've left, you can join another active alliance immediately or play solo for a while. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.